Right, so now we're going to talk about our photo slot dies, and these have been designed so that you can cut directly onto the paper, but you only cut little holders for your photos, and they're designed to hold, there's 2 in the set. There's this one which will hold a 6x4 photo, and you can either place it vertically or horizontally, and then you've got the other one which is designed to hold a 3x4, so again you can put it that way or that way. So we're just going to line this up, and again these are designed, when you make albums, lots of people, you have blank pages and you think, what am I going to do with it, because you don't want to use the pattern. But if you just pop these in, and then you can put a photo in, you don't need to fix the photo in with adhesive, and you can change the photo at any time. So we're cutting this one here, and then that's going to be our decorative strip down there like that. I'm just going to make sure it's straight though, because I can see that it's not. And again, I forgot to say, if you look, you have alignment notches there, there, there and there. So it's easy to get your pages nice and straight, or line them up with a particular element of a pattern. So we're just going to run this one through the die cutting machine. Okay, so we've been through the die cutting, well I haven't, but the die has been through the die cutting machine. Okay, and that doesn't look as though that's done anything at all, but if I get a piece of card, you can see that it's cut the slots out beautifully. And what I would recommend at this point is pop little pieces of card through each slot like that. So that is going to be your main page, okay, and you're going to have decorative border down here. You might choose, you want to just run it on, continue there, lift it up, make that a flap. It's entirely up to you. So I'm going to stick this now. So I've got my pieces of card in place. So when I'm going to stick, I'm going to put glue. It's really important that you make sure you put glue just the bottom corner there and there, but you don't want to get it on the black card that's poking through. So we're just going to do the edges. You can use double-sided tape if you want, but I don't use double-sided tape for my decorative papers because I like to move around. So I'm making sure I'm getting my glue just on that corner there, and on there, on there, and on there. And then you can do, obviously, do the central bit like that. And then we're going to stick this. You'll see I've got an arrow on my page. That's to make sure I've got it the right way up. I'm going to stick this one on here like that. So give that time to settle. Just give that a little wiggle, just in case any glue's got stuck behind. It shouldn't have done. Okay, and we'll just give that time to dry. And then, now again, if you find it difficult fitting your pages in, leave your black card behind, fitting your photos in, leave your black card behind, and then just pull it out and it will slot in. If you go back later to do it and you think, oh, I can't get the pages in, just put a piece of black card in behind it, behind your photo or your slot, and it'll fit in. It'll go in there. Take that one out. That one's there, and then we just do the last one. Get ready to pull that one out. Oh, that one's not in. Sometimes you might find the final one is the hardest, so just lift that up a little bit and then slot that in. And that is your photo corner slot. Okay, and then you can take it out and it looks as though nothing's been done to the page.